Hey crew, we've recently had an Ethereum trade, so I'll just quickly cover that and what we've got at the moment. The reason we entered this trade was the daily 50 EMA rejection. So these cluster candles here, nice run up, bullish momentum that ended up getting some deceleration and rejection. We didn't quite touch this trend line here, so I was a little bit cautious of that. We did tighten our stops really early, nice and quickly, so that we didn't take an unnecessary loss on this trade. The trade was looking good for a while. We didn't quite get to our first target. If some people got out early and took a little bit of profit, well done. But otherwise, we just bulletproofed, got risk-free on the trade. We ended up getting taken out for break-even. So pretty nice entry. We just got taken out for break-even. So at the moment, we're just closed above the daily 50 MA. We haven't quite touched this trend line, and no trade zone at the moment for Ethereum. But let's have a look at the lower time frames. Alright, so this is a 1 hour time frame, and I'll just break down our entry. We started to form a trend line with an overextended run. This area here was the daily 50 MA I just pointed out, and a nice rejection. So we got a little bit of MACD divergence, but we blew off there. That was an overextended blow off top, and then once we broke that daily, the 1 hour 50 EMA and this trend line, I was looking for a pullback to get us in. So just chuck some fibs on there. We've got a really nice clean 0.38 fib rejection, just a touch on the 1 hour 50 EMA. So a nice break and retest, confirmed trend change, and away we went. So we traded through the 200 EMA, and the first target was about the 134, 135 mark. So we just didn't quite touch it. If some people got out, took a bit of profit, well done. But in any case, once we started getting below these levels, once I saw this sort of double bottom here, we just bulletproofed the trade risk-free, and we just popped off this level with pretty strong momentum, got taken out for break-even, and away we went. Was there a possible trade on this? Well, pretty much the same price action as Bitcoin. That's a pretty strong horizontal level there. Break, retest, 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 break, retest, and also now not quite a retest. We got pretty close. So a possible long there, you would have had to been pretty aggressive to take that, but much the same as Bitcoin in the higher time frames. Yeah, I was looking for more downside. So at the moment, very much the same as Bitcoin. Wait and see what happens here. We still haven't made a higher high here. So if you could nearly say this is head and shoulders. Left shoulder there, head, right shoulder, pretty ugly. I wouldn't really consider it a head and shoulders, but at the moment, if we start dropping here, this still is a lower high. Same deal, let the weekly close play out, see where we're at from there.